Hello guys, welcome back to another video and happy new year 2021. On this video we're gonna be discussing about how I drive real human traffic to my Fiverr gig, which I call Fiverr gig promotion. And this will be the part 1 because I'll still drop another tips on the Fiverr gig promotion. So I'll just guide you through and on how I do this. So I'll head up to Fiverr and search for my Fiverr gig. So I will be promoting this gig. Okay, I'll be promoting this gig. So I want to promote this gig. So I'll just copy this gig link here, then head up to bit.ly because I want to short the URL so that I'll be able to make use of it very well. Okay, I'll paste the link here, then shorten. Okay, here is the link now. So I'll head up to facebook.com. Then here I'll search Donald Trump page. You can actually make use of any page based on your country or any page that you believe that there will be your potential buyer there. So, but I'll be making use of this Donald Trump page as an example here. This is the page, and the latest post on this page was 7 hours ago. So I'll head up to the comment section here. Then copy my gig link, then I'll paste it here. Then this is what I will do. Then it's like this. Oh, I cannot make a tab here. Wow. Probably I need to compose the message before. Google Doc. Let's click this. Okay, yeah. So typing here. Trying to know the type of message I'll put first. Are you searching YouTuber who help you YouTube channel with promotion, YouTube optimization. Then all your needs. Kindly click on the link below to get started now. Okay, so then I'll copy the link and paste. I'll paste here. I'll copy everything here. Then head up to Facebook and paste the link here. Paste everything here. Then I'll click on submit. So that is it. And then you see, you just see here, when they click on this gig, it will direct them to my gig. You see it there. So you find some other pages or some other post that they just post on this page. Okay, let's try on this one too. You see here, then we paste, scroll down to another post or find another page, which let's search for Joe maintain. Okay, let's try on this page too. Yeah, this post was posted 9 hours ago. So come here, drop the comment. I'll urge you to do this thing maybe 3 or 5 times in a day, so avoid blocking your gig link. So do it 4 or 5 times in a day and stop it for that day, then the next day again. So I haven't do it today at all, so I can do it like 5 times or 4 times. So I'll do it on this page too. Then I'll find another page. Let's say Larry Clinton. Okay. You have to follow all the pages. So before you make a comment here, go below, then make another comment. So these are the real way to drive massive traffic to your gig, because definitely people will click on your gig. You can see someone is already doing this. You can see it and know the person. Actually, you can't have a business without a business name. Read more. So let's click on this gig now. So let's click on this gig. So definitely some people are already doing this. You can see there. You can see what I'm talking about. So this is real way to drive traffic to your Fiverr gig. And believe you me, if you are using this way to drive traffic to your gig, even if they are not ordering your service, definitely Fiverr will believe that you are sending traffic from another platform to their own platform. So definitely they will rank your gig more higher on the Fiverr search. This will be the part 1 of this Fiverr gig promotion, and I'm going to drop another video which will be the part 2 to the Fiverr gig promotion. Thank you for watching.